Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are looking for a good quality 4K action camera on an optimal budget, then you are watching the right video. In this video, I have fixed the action camera considering the quality, durability, demand, customer rating, and order, etc. I hope you like my camera reviews and you get the best quality action camera you want. You may request that the video be watched in full, as the video is larger. All the links of the camera are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's get started with the video. In at number 5, the best action camera is Icon H9R Original Action Camera. This 4K underwater action cam is perfect for skating, surfing, diving, snorkeling, cycling, golfing, running, or playing baseball. Mount it on the car when you are driving down a scenic road and record your adventure. Recently this camera price is $33.96. About 5,089 people review this camera, more than 10,962 people ordered this camera. In this camera, there are some standard facilities such as: in this camera, you can edit and share your sports activities as soon as it is recorded with the app as ICOM. Wi-Fi signal range is up to 33 feet. HDMI output is supported, which means you can preview videos and see real-time displays on the TV with an HDMI cable. It has waterproof housing up to 100 feet. The waterproof case of an action camera is designed to withstand extreme environments and conditions. This helmet camera is wearable and mountable. This action camera has 2-inch LCD FHD display. High-quality display for video or photo playback. Get the full spectrum of the features with easy setting adjustments. It is equipped with an action camera tripod, a waterproof camera case, mount accessories, and a wireless remote. With these accessories, Icon H9R can be a helmet camera as well. Go capture every moment. It is perfectly sized, both portable and mountable. It is the action cam for the sports fan or anyone who wants to record stunning footage. In at 4th place, the best 4K action camera is V-Fly Wi-Fi Action Camera. V-Fly Wi-Fi Action Cam is a compact, waterproof, wearable, and mountable camera. With great features of an ultra-wide-angle lens, built-in LCD, multiple capture modes, the V-Fly is a perfect device for 4K high-resolution video and beautiful slow motion. The camera is a reliable companion for outdoor sports, tourism, live shooting, and daily life recording. Recently this camera price is $39.92. Overall, I have been highly impressed with the build, great features and ultra-wide-angle lens. Especially considering its budget price. V-Fly has some outstanding facilities. V-Fly records 4K, 60 FPS high-resolution videos, and 16-megapixel high-quality photos. The super-wide 170 degrees view provides almost twice the visual area than a smartphone. Surprisingly, V-Fly supports 4x even during shooting, which allows you to magnify the image up to 4x bigger, so that you can precisely capture your target. You can connect this camera with Android or iOS smartphones conveniently. You can remote control recording, shooting, real-time previewing, downloading, and instantly share your moments via social media. Professional 30 meters waterproof housing protects the camera from dust and shock. It makes this sports camera ideal for diving, swimming, surfing, parkour, or making some stunning underwater footage. V-Fly Action Camera comes with rechargeable 1050 mAh powerful batteries. Each battery can record up to 90 minutes. This camera supports charging in use. You can enjoy shooting just with a power bank anytime, anywhere. You can capture every remarkable moment by creating incredible videos or short movies like through time-lapse mode, slow motion mode. In at number 3, the best 4K camera is Gcam S9R Action Camera. This is an outstanding and specialized video camera with astonishing specifications, design, and value for money. Designed like a firm rangefinder camera, but it's designed solely for video. Technically it is an extraordinary device. Now, this camera price is $44.42. In this camera, there are some extraordinary features are: Gcam Action Camcorder supports various modes such as shooting mode, photo mode, continuous shooting, time-lapse, loop playback. You can enjoy it even with diving, shooting, and marine sports. This camera comes with crystal-like waterproof housing and silk-touched buttons. Gcam S9R underwater camera waterproof up to 100 feet. This helmet camera enables you free to capture your incredible adventures. Gcam 4K video camera supports with HDMI technology. Share your moments on your large screen TV with the micro HDMI output. It has a real-time review on the 2-inch LCD screen is super terrific. Take pictures of your desired one and record the exact moments with Gcam waterproof camera. This waterproof camera with high-quality 170-degree wide-angle lens will capture maximum views that you would like to include in your videos or photos. In this camera, the framing shots or recording videos are now ultra-convenient. Just press the button of the remote control. No more looking for your camera when mounted the camera on your helmet, selfie stick, etc. In its second place, the 4K camera is Suku S100 Pro 4K camera. S100 Pro is an action camera that comes at a very affordable price. This device meets all the current needs of users, whether it is recording video in 4K or not. It can connect to the internet directly through Wi-Fi, and it further supports all kinds of adverse conditions without suffering damages. Here I have a detailed review of the capabilities of this camera. Recently this camera price is $53. However, this camera has some main features such as this 4K camera has a Sony sensor, 7 layers of glass lenses, and 20 megapixel photos. The S100 4K action camera presents you with high-quality videos and pictures. Before use, please insert the TF card and then format the card to make sure it can be used. Please use over class 10 TF card. S100 video camera comes with two rechargeable high-energy density batteries. Each 1050 mAh battery can record up to 120 minutes when the battery is fully charged. You will no more worry about the recording time for this sports recording camera. It is designed to withstand extreme environments. Equipped with IP68 waterproof case, durable waterproof to 98 feet. Ideal for water sports like swimming, drifting, surfing, etc. This camera built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI system. You can share and edit videos and images easily. Just download app Suku Zone on your phone and connect with your sports camera. Then conveniently operate or review your images or videos via your Android or iOS device. This is a multifunctional action camera. Multifunctions enable you to enjoy this extreme sports camera more conveniently and interestingly, such as a touchscreen, voice control, light painting, spot metering, time-lapse, loop recording, gyroscope, car mode, anti-shaking, diving mode, and HDMI output, etc. The new Komori Mini Sport Action Camera is top of my listing. If you want the best action camera, you're spoilt for choice. Most folk would simply go for the best Komori Mini Action Camera, but there are plenty of alternatives that are cheaper, smarter, or offer better quality. Specification of this camera: 5A plus glass HD wide-angle lenses, Corning Gorilla Glass, 145-degree wide-angle shooting, 720 pixel HD shooting, 3.7 volt, 900 mAh battery capacity, about 3 hours charging time, magnet charging port, and supports external micro South Dakota. Maximum support 32 GB. Already this camera price is $69.99. This camera has some standard packaging are. This action camera is drop-proof, dust-proof, wearable, magnetic, multi-scene use of differentiated and unique appearance smart motion camera. The whole machine is deeply waterproof and can shoot underwater wonderful moments at any time. This camera has a built-in wireless Wi-Fi function key, downloads a dedicated app to achieve a camera. One-button connection with mobile device, one-click image sharing. Its excellent compact body can be magnetically carried. The stylish strap that can be worn by hand. Suitable for fixed shooting in any location. This camera is small size, is easier to carry, with hand wearable and magnetic function, record wonderful moments anytime, anywhere. Mirror glass is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, which is extremely resistant to falling. This action cam built-in high-capacity 3.7 volt, 900 mAh lithium battery, shooting up to 90 minutes. 145 degrees wide angle, wide shooting range. It has an H62 sensor for night light mode, and low light shooting is better. You can shoot video by 720 pixel HD format. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.